How to fix your speedometer gear leak. Now, are you tired of dealing with a pesky speedometer gear leak? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix, dedicated to all things automobiles. Our mission is to provide you with insightful guides and tutorials to help you navigate the world of automotive upgrades and repairs with confidence. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Let's get started. Identifying the common issue. The first step in fixing a speedometer gear leak is to identify the common issue. Often it's a problem with the plastic gear causing the leak. Look for a groove on the gear, which indicates a seal issue leading to fluid leakage. This groove is usually a sign that the gear needs to be replaced. Understanding this specific problem area is crucial to addressing the issue effectively. Take your time to inspect the gear and its surrounding components to ensure you identify the root cause of the leak. Removing the speedometer gear assembly. To begin the repair process, carefully remove the speedometer gear assembly. Push in the clip to remove it easily. Once removed, count the number of teeth on the gear. This information is crucial for replacement. Make sure to note the color and tooth count, as this will help you find the correct replacement gear. Take a moment to inspect the gear assembly for any signs of wear or damage. This will help you identify any additional repairs needed. Replacing speedometer gear components. Changing the gear tooth count may require swapping the gear housing as well. Remove the metal ring and seal components using a pick tool. Be careful not to damage any surrounding parts. Make sure you understand the components before proceeding. If you're not sure, consult a repair manual or seek advice from a professional mechanic. Take your time to ensure each component is properly removed and set aside for reinstallation. Replacing the speedometer gear and seal kit. The replacement parts include a smooth shaft with the same dimensions and gear count as the original. Use a seal kit from Classic Transmission Solutions or a similar reputable supplier. Properly lubricate and install the O-ring for a successful repair. Apply transmission gel or Vaseline before installation to ensure a smooth and secure fit. Double-check the replacement parts to ensure they match the original specifications. Using lubricant for the speedometer gear leak fix. Before installation, ensure the shaft is properly lubricated. Clean the housing area and apply a light coat of transmission jelly before installing the gear. This extra step can significantly improve the effectiveness of the repair. Don't skip this step, as it's crucial for a successful fix. Take a moment to ensure the lubricant is evenly applied and not excessive. Fixing a speedometer gear leak on a TH400. When fixing a speedometer gear leak on a TH400, ensure the gear sits properly in the designated slots. Secure the retaining plate, adapter, and connector in place with care. Double-check that all components are securely fastened to avoid any future issues. Consult a repair manual or seek advice from a professional mechanic if you're unsure about any part of the process. Additional tips and precautions. When working with transmission components, it's essential to maintain cleanliness and avoid contamination. Keep the area free from debris and dirt and wash your hands thoroughly before starting the repair. If you're not comfortable with this repair, consider consulting a professional mechanic to avoid any potential damage to your vehicle. Take your time and don't rush through the process. Common mistakes to avoid. When fixing a speedometer gear leak, it's easy to overlook critical steps or make simple mistakes. Avoid damaging surrounding components and ensure each part is properly secured before moving on to the next step. Don't skip the lubrication step, as this can lead to premature wear and tear on the gear and surrounding components. Double-check your work before finishing the repair to ensure a successful fix. In conclusion, fixing a speedometer gear leak doesn't have to be daunting. By following these step-by-step instructions and paying attention to crucial details, you can effectively address the issue and get back on the road with confidence. Remember to stay safe, work methodically, and don't hesitate to seek help if needed.